Question: how do I install the burn media on top of the Crossfire burner? Answer: back to the point of combustion. Since our air intake is located on each individual jet, you do not want to bury and snuff out that air intake, especially with propane. Propane needs air. Both burners need air, this point of combustion. So what you don't want to do is bury this, effectively snuffing it out, that it's starving for air. What you do is pack in very loose lava rock. That works the best. And then loosely, whether it's logs, glass, you pack that pretty loosely around each one of these jets. Can you cover the jets? Yes. Can you leave the jets exposed? Yes. You can do whatever you need to do with the media to make the flames look exactly how you want them to look.